Hi everybody. For today's bell ringer, I want you to think about what we did in yesterday's lesson. Think about what kind of molecules will dissolve in water. See if you can recall from a past science class what solvents are and solutes. What shape are water crystals? And do you recall how we got grams from percentages like percent mass? So we need to take a look at a review for some terminology for aqueous solutions. Again, aqueous just means things dissolved in water. There are two parts to a solution. The first part is a solvent. This is the thing that everything's dissolved in. It's the medium, the liquid typically, that has in larger amount, if you will. It is what we dissolve it in. So I usually think of the V as a funnel, and I imagine pouring something into that funnel in this V right here. The other term that you need to know is a solute. This is the thing that is usually in the lesser amount that is dissolved in the solvent. So an example would be salt water, where the salt would be the solute and the water would be the solvent. Again, water being our universal solvent. The example on the right here shows sugar being dissolved into water. And so you have a solution of sugar water where sugar is your solute, water is your solvent. Examples of some common solutions is Kool-Aid, which is basically just sugar and water. Yes, it has some food coloring, but it's basically sugar dissolved in water. Air is also a solution, and we often don't think about gases within each other as being a solution, but they really are, because gases are considered a fluid and they abide by some of the fluid dynamics and things that we look at. So if we recall, our air is oxygen dissolved in nitrogen. So there's 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. There are other solutes in air, such as carbon dioxide and some traces of noble gases. But basically, it's nitrogen with a little bit of oxygen dissolved in it. Gold is also a solution. You can't have just pure gold. 14 karat gold, for example, has silver in gold. So why can't you just have 14 karat gold or pure gold? So pure gold is very pretty, but gold by nature is a very soft material. And so if you had a pure gold, it would be too soft to form it into jewelry or other things. Although it's beautiful, it's easily distorted. So you typically are going to look for something that's 18 karat gold, so it can be both beautiful and durable. If you wanted a ring, you definitely need to go with something more like 10 karat, or it's going to get misshaped or distorted.